Hello, I am Tanji Yi. My white paper topic is about denial of service attack. The attack chosen to be discussed is ICMP ping flood attack. Firstly, let us explain about DOS attack. In this attack, attackers attempt to prevent legitimate users from accessing information or services. Then, bandwidth of legitimate user will be reduced to disrupt the services. The attack might prevent victims from accessing email, websites, or other services that rely on the affected computer. When a URL is typed in a browser to search for a website, a request is sent to the computer site server. Note that a server unable to process requests more than a maximum number. If the requests received by the server is more than maximum number, then the server will be overloaded and cannot process the following requests. Attackers utilize this phenomenon and flood the server with excessive messages. This stops users to access to the site. Now, let us talk about ping flood attack. In the ping flood attack, attackers use large amounts of data packets and send to the victim's computer in an attempt to saturate the network with traffic. Subsequently, the speed of the legitimate traffic will be reduced significantly due to the continuing requests and replies. In short, ping flood typically consume the victimized system's resources with handling the attacking packets, which eventually causes the system to be unreachable by other clients. There are 3 commands using ping that exploited by attackers. The N command tells the prompt to send the request a specified amount of times. The second command is I command, which can specify how much data is intended to send for each packet. T command is used when attacker want to ping continuously until the host times out. These are the examples of ping flood attack. The first category of ping flood attack is a targeted local disclosed ping flood. Attacker needs to have physical access to the computer in order to discover its IP address. Next, a router disclosed ping flood reliant on the attacker knowing the internal IP address of a local router. The last category is blind ping flood, which involves using an external program to uncover the IP address of the target computer or router before executing an attack. How can we mitigate ping flood attack? The proposed solution is to block ICMP ping packets completely. But this is not a good way. This might causes problems to servers and it is hard to diagnose problems that came up. Next is by blocking certain types of packets. ICMP packets can be limited by using appropriate threshold on maximum number or size. Then any ICMP traffic which is greater than the traffic determined by threshold will be dropped. Link failure recovery mechanism is proposed with goal to prolong the lifetime of a network by restarting or reprogramming links that are failed and misbehaving. The experiment explained after this is referred to work done by other researchers. The first experiment is about attacker who does not spoof the source address of botnets to a victim. In short, when a victim received the ping flood attack, the end router will generate an ICMP echo reply that contain an alert message. The alert message will be issued to all those routers through which it is receiving the attack. All the routers will start dropping the ping packets that are destined to victim after receiving the alert message. Then the end router will inspect the data field of ICMP echo reply and take necessary actions. However, if the attacker spoofs the addresses of bots, it is difficult to locate the bot because the alert message will reach the spoofed address which is not participating in attack. These are algorithms proposed by researchers. It can be said that if the number of attacking hosts increases, the bandwidth consumption of victim host or server increases. In conclusion, ping flood attack is a dangerous threat to the network. Hopefully that there will be a solution which can encounter this attack effectively.
Created using Powtoon.